Yes, our people, we don't come again today. Now, voice of Biafra, we don't land. The person wey dey hear his voice, and na begin na day. How na day? We dey thank our fans, dey thank everyone. You know, say here we don't get enemy, the only friends we get. We dey see on a handwork. Jekiji, like we dey take for Igbo. Hold wetin you hold. Today's topic na this Buhari issue. Now we wan talk about. Cause some people don dey talk say na one man wey dey call Jubril na him dey Asuro, even that kind thing dey fear me. So we say make we talk about who dey this Asuro, who be this president of Nigeria. Na General Muhammadu Buhari or the clone, the person wey dey say dey clone, wey dey call Jubril. Whether Jubril from Togo, or Jubril from Cotonou, or Jubril from Sudan, or Jubril from Mali, we no know, but we wan talk about that today. Because when this story start, we think say na joke. In fact, we think say na wetin oyibo dey call satire. Wetin you go use dey yab make people just dey laugh. But with time, these people don supply evidence. Wetin they call evidence. Say see this man wey dey for this Aso Rock. Say this man no be this Buhari wey una vote for. Say na a man wey from Sudan wey dey use come do am plastic surgery, come make e come be Buhari wey dey use am dey waka around, dey go everywhere. Na that thing we wan talk about. Because for this our struggle, we no wan make the thing come dey like say na joke. We want people wey fit think, critical thinkers, well-informed people. Because na well-informed people na them get this Cuba. Well-informed people, all the major independent struggle, na well-informed people help get them. So now wetin we wan talk about, the person wey dey this Asuro na Jubril from Sudan or na Muhammadu Buhari. Now, e get evidence wey they don bring out. They don bring death certificate. One from London here, and that one wey they issue for Nigeria. They don bring even medical record, diagnosis, everything. Everything dey internet. I don't see all of them. People don show different faces of Buhari. But na those things we wan talk about. Abeg our people, especially Biafran people, this struggle, this thing make we no turn am into joke. First of all, if whether na Buhari dey Aso Rock or Jubril dey Aso Rock, I don't know how it will affect our struggle. But we want to discuss that issue today. The so-called death certificate, the one wey they issue for London, where I see for internet where people dey parade, that one na fake. Birth certificate and death certificate for United Kingdom, they carry NHS logo. If they carry logo, one is not the same. Not the same. Do you anybody will live for UK? Because wetin dey pain me be say I know the two verse for people wey dey Nigeria. But I go one place wey they call Abbey Wood last weekend, and all these people they talk. I dey shock say matured men, even one of them to a lawyer, all of them they talk say this man no be Buhari. And na that issue we wan discuss on today, so that after today, anybody wey dey talk things, make we concentrate, make our eyes dey for the ball. Because na the ball wey our ball na Biafra. Whether to unveil Sudan or no be to unveil what I mean or wait on I call the man wey that Aso Rock. That one no be my concern. But my concern na to follow evidence wey these people don provide. The death certificate wey they issued for London na fake. The death certificate wey I see for Nigeria also no make sense, because if you talk say Buhari don die and then they hide am, why they go still go obtain death certificate of Buhari when they wan hide say he wan die, he don die? Because every death certificate, if you wan obtain am for Nigeria, say that number wey you see there, na just one hand you go verify the thing. Then you dey talk about medical record. The medical record where I dey see, the diagnosis where I dey see, even an illiterate go do better job. The issue and they say na London Bridge Hospital. That one too no get NHS logo. Anybody wey live for London, wey live for United Kingdom, know wetin be data protection law. Even your own pikin, to get medical record of your own pikin, they no go give you. You no go fit get am, they no go give you. Na from court. Na court. In fact, sometimes they go argue and reach Supreme Court before, and it go be serious matter. The only thing wey NHS fit give you, they fit give you your child vaccination record or outpatient record. Na the only thing wey they fit issue you. So that one too, na under nonsense wey happen, wey they see. Now make we even begin dey talk another thing. They say this man and the Buhari wife, children, they no dey see Buhari wife, no dey see for public again. Anybody wey know who be Buhari know say him be conservative Muslim, cold-hardened Muslim, ultra. This is my own view. Buhari, since when they contest election, no anybody don't see, apart from 2015 election where they package Buhari, package jam as somebody wey believe in equality, women this and women that. Tinubu and co package jam, they can't carry the wife, they work everywhere. Since when Buhari they contest election for APP, for AMPP, for CPs, anybody don't see him for public campaign with his wife. Even when Buhari dey young, when he be military leader, anybody see him for public function with his wife? That was before he even marry Aisha, this present wife. Say he did the see Buhari for public with this wife, no mean say na fake Buhari dey as rock. That one too na another thing wey no get meaning. Our people for Igbo land, you get one old names wey our people dey answer. Even today, people will bear them as surname. Nwahunanya. You know the meaning of Nwahunanya or Ahunanya? Empiricist. Empiricism, philosophical thought that people that you must demand evidence. People that believe in evidence, what they can see, what they can touch, evidence. Now ancestors get that thing within the beer. You must see evidence beyond reasonable doubt before they believe anything. We did this Biafra no means say somebody carry shit to give us, make we chop, say na say this shit, say na plantain or say the shit na cake, we begin the chop shit. So because we do struggle, breakfast struggle, then we could lose our brain. If Buhari dey Asoro, if Buhari don't die for London, he didn't say Tinubu no go want his boy Osibanjo to be president. He think that Tinubu go follow them, they play that game. Or he didn't say Osibanjo no know who be his boss. Osibanjo, no matter how he go do plastic, they do all the clone and plastic surgery, even Samuel Cowell, all these people don't try to look like them. But at the end of the day, the difference is always clear. You get simple thing why I go even tell on. You get what they call voice recognition software. You get the one where Google they even give out for free. You get the other ones where these things they cheap. Apple they provide them. Other you get some look at simple thing where you do now. Download voice recognition software for your laptop or your iPad or iPhone. Carry Buhari inauguration speech. Just come out 5 minutes of it or 1 minute, because if you want to download the one, we go do everything. If it costs you too much money. Take that 5 minutes of the inaugural speech in 2015. Carry under 5 minutes of this thing where they launch, where they say next level, the way they launched the other day. I don't know whether the next level of poverty or next level of massacre of innocent people. I don't know what it be. Just listen to 2 of them, you could see say na the same Buhari they talk. My people, we don't tire. We don't tire. Make we know they fool ourselves. Voice, no matter even the clone person, you go do plastic surgery, the voice no fit be the same. The voice no fit be the same. Even if Buhari died for London last year, he didn't say Tinubu no one make his boy Osibanjo be president. It is saying go just keep quiet, just fold hand them on. They carry the Jibril, come carry and smuggle and to Nigeria. Jibril now come they behave like Buhari. They do and plastic surgery. So they, even his deputy no go know his boss again. Osibanjo no go know his boss again. Say this one, no matter no, this one no be amo. Saraki, it is said that Saraki no get contact to even know wetin dey happen. Saraki wey be see even when they want impeach am for Senate, somebody from Aso Rock even tell am say na see wetin dey happen, the man discharge before they even reach where e dey. Tinubu wey dey there, you know how many investigative journalists and security people wey dey on pay this thing of Tinubu wey dey pay to know wetin dey happen. So all the House of Assembly member, all of them just dey foolish. They no know anything again to know say, or all of them they play the same game. All of them fall in love with this fake Buhari, where people go leave APC for this fake Buhari. Senate president leave APC for fake Buhari. The House of Rep members leave APC for this fake Buhari. Make this Jiburi come dey rule Nigeria. Meanwhile, Buhari don't die. Even they say Buhari, they bury the original Buhari for Saudi Arabia, as if we be Sultan of Saudi Arabia. You know, the case story where they suppose they tell children. Website, anybody can open website, put any nonsense inside website. They say, hey, you do a 1 minute silence for Buhari. If you type on for Google, you go see them there, but na fake website. Because this same AU, Buhari don't address them 2 times this year. January and June or something, but 2 times they don't address this AU. So how this AU give on 1 minute silence as a dead person, come later invite him, come later hold meeting with this dead person, with the fake come address them again? How this Jibril will be fake Buhari don't address UN twice since we the so-called Buhari death? Why will they make Biafra dey like childish thing? Because when I don't know the danger when they happen, we say, in every struggle, there are people, agent provocateurs, where the government they use put inside every group to distract them, to distract them so that they no go pursue their main cause. Now this Jibril nonsense, now what they do, now to distract us. Now distraction they go to do. Buhari go use this. In fact, Buhari go use this Jibril win election. Because at the end of the day, he go to tell on and say, towards that election period, he go begin to say, they don't even believe I'm alive because they want me dead and they don't like me. I've done this. So if they don't even believe that I'm dead, that I'm alive, how would they believe that my economic policies are working? Now what they go to tell you? Anything where Buhari fans, you don't know say Buhari get fans. You don't know say Buhari get people. You don't know say Buhari they meet people for mosque every Friday. We know say this man na real Buhari. So even when they face hardship, people they tell them say Buhari don't die. You they show them everything, they feel the hardship, but they go say maybe Buhari is working some other place. So these people now where they talk say Buhari don't die, I can't believe any other thing where they tell me. It means say the thing where they tell me about the economy. In fact, even they tell you say the killing where they happen for Benue, other things saying are fake news because you they tell them say Buhari don't die. So other things still are fake news. So this thing's not distraction. You know go add anything to Biafran struggle. You know go add anything. In fact, if they subtract, if they make people they look us like bunch of foolish people who no get sense. Every document where they don't present about Buhari, death certificate, diagnosis, everything na fake. In 21st century, it not even take you 5 minutes to know say all those things na fake. So how we go dey for this 21st century? People where their ancestors the answer we just they believe every nonsense where people somebody they give us. So when this thing no go really go far because all the evidence no get me. Even they don't even bring pictures. Say Buhari tall here, Buhari short now. You know go you know whether na motion picture. Somebody they walk, the height go there different. When they stand, sometimes journalists they take pictures when people they talk. If they talk to somebody, they say, the guy tall here, he short here. All these things na distraction, na nonsense. You know get any meaning. You know get any meaning. People they laugh for us. People they laugh for us, my brothers. What thing we want for this Biafra? Now well-informed activists, people who are capable of critical thinking. No people who will believe anything, because if you believe every nonsense for this Nigeria wey we dey, if we get that Biafra, you may not even be useful to Biafra because you go still dey believe in rumour. You go still dey believe in every fabricated story. In fact, dem even use you go assassinate somebody, say that man wey you see is still here, he do this thing. You no go verify, you go kill some innocent person. So we no go wan talk too much. We want, after this period, go and download voice recognition software. And after this period, anybody wey dey this Biafran struggle, wey still dey talk about this nonsense of Jubril and the Buhari, know say that person is distracting us. Biafra no be wetin people dey do, they go get through mumu, like zombie. Like waiting for a laptop, zombie no dey work unless you tell am to work. Zombie no dey talk unless you tell am. No, we are not zombie now. Any information, we must verify every information. That man wey dey as rock is Major General Muhammadu Buhari. Is not Jubril from Sudan. Look, e get wetin one French philosopher talk. His name na René Descartes. Cogito ergo sum. I think, therefore I am. Say e get leg, get head, get hand, they wear shirt, they wear trousers, no mean say e be human being like that. You must be thinking for you to be a human being. You understand? Because 40 years ago, now one man, 40 years ago, carry people, Jim Jones, carry people, could brainwash them, say they go heaven. All of them miss sign and drink. 900 and something people. We must have Biafra of thinking people. People will go think. People will go ask questions. People will go look at something and say, look, this is not real. This is fake. People will go see reading, no say na real. People will go see red, call them red. People will go see spade, call them spade. Now waiting we want for this Biafra. Because all these things when they shape Buhari picture, don't forget, say Buhari the kind makeup artist, they work everywhere. You know, no? Buhari they old. And before Buhari they appear for public, makeup artists go rub and powder, rub and everything. The makeup artists fit use different powder today, tomorrow do another powder. Because they say, hey, this person, then they even cover wrinkles where they Buhari face. So most of the things one they see for internet na fake. Even the so-called CNN where they carry the so-called allegedly Buhari's dead body. Which kind of CNN be that? You don't know what in the CNN website. Why somebody could just they print out something, they publish, all those kind of things. Instead, we go look at Buhari, waiting he don't perform, waiting his performance. This man don't fail in terms of protecting lives and property. He don't fail for economy. He don't fail for health. He don't fail for education. Virtually every area in government, Buhari don't fail. Now they are using Jubril. Now this Jubril they go use distract everybody until election time. Buhari go win. Nobody go face reality. They just hey na Jubril. All this thing a waste of time. It's either you vote Buhari out or you foolishly leave Buhari to remain there. Buhari is not dead. Buhari is alive. The man you see there is Buhari. We no be good we be to believe every nonsense will come out. Even my little child no go believe that kind of nonsense. Buhari, na him be that person. Make we know they fool ourselves. E get how you go dey when you dey sick. A picture of you when you dey sick and picture of you when you dey well no fit be the same. So all these pictures wey people bring, you get the one where they even Photoshop Buhari face, the nose big. You know, simple technology. Simple thing. Can't you even go and verify some of this information? You know if you verify them. You know if you verify. You know if you see website. You know say somebody fit go open website, call them cnn.ca.ud, where be fake website, where no get anything to do with CNN. Can't tell you say within CNN talk. Hey, they do 1 minute silent. They do this one. See certificate. See all these things. My brothers and sisters, make we use our brain. This thing no go help our Biafran struggle. If you know if you go do the simple thing, just keep quiet. Make we think of how we go use our brain restore this Biafra. This Jubril of a thing is a waste of time. It's no, you no get any addition, no go add anything to our struggle. We no wan talk much about this. But after this period, if you no fit go do your verification well and keep quiet, let us concentrate on this thing, then na be say you wan follow dey destroy the struggle, because the Jubril issue is complete nonsense, a waste of time. We shouldn't be talking, we should not even be talking about this kind of thing, because we've had enough of this distraction. We don move from Nigeria go expire, we don move from this one to referendum. Which time? Even when they tell us say Trump don give us date for referendum, distract people. Oh, Trump is winning. As Trump win now, Biafra go come. Our people gather, celebrate out of ignorance, because many of us have been telling them sin and stupidity. Because as long as I'm concerned, Trump na white supremacist wey e be. E no go hurt black people wey dey America, come love black people wey dey Biafra land. So make we concentrate, make our eyes be on the ball. Abeg, this madness must stop. Make it stop. Make we concentrate, dey do something wey dey meaningful, wey go help us achieve Biafra. Na here we go stop for today. Thank you for watching. Take good care of yourself.
Ebe ka unu si Biafra, ebe